Hi everyone and welcome to Edmation. Today I am unboxing a Greenworks 40 volt 2 ampere hour or 2 AH cordless pole saw. This particular model has an 8-inch saw blade on it. I purchased this saw on October 31st, 2020 after a pretty extensive ice storm which created a lot of damage. The list price was $134.96. After taxes, it was $146.60, about $12. It was ordered on a Saturday, was supposed to arrive on a Monday. It arrived Tuesday, so it was a day late. So not a big deal other than I wanted to get started on getting rid of all those broken down tree limbs. Removal from the box is very straightforward. You just need maybe a utility knife to cut the tape to get into it. As far as assembly, again, maybe a knife or some scissors or cutters. For a zip tie, there's just one zip tie that goes around a couple of poles on the extension poles. Other than that, no special tools are required. There is a combo tool that comes inside the box. One side is a flat slot screwdriver. The other side is a socket. The flat slot is for adjusting the chain tension, and the socket is to loosen up the bolt in order to make the adjustment to the chain tension. The pole itself comes in 3 separate pieces. Again, it's a pretty easy assembly, no special tools. You basically line up the slots for the 2 separate connections, wiggle them together, and then there's a little screw-on piece that just slots down and screws to keep it held together. And that's all there is to the assembly. And if you like what you're seeing, please do remember to click the like button and the subscribe button. And I would sure appreciate it, and we'll keep making these as I can. My measurement was about 103 inches, or approximately 262 centimeters. One very important thing to remember is it does not come with any chain oil or lubricant. So you do have to either order it or purchase it separately at the store. I got it at Home Depot for about $5. And it says after you fill it up in the reservoir, which you're seeing now, check it after use after about 30 minutes and recheck it. And I would say just kind of periodically check it while it's getting itself lubricated. And of course, remember to check it periodically as you use it. Otherwise, remember to check the chain tension, adjust it accordingly, and make sure the battery's charged. And other than that, you're ready to go.
So in summary, I would give it a thumbs up for unpacking and assembly of this particular unit here. It's very simple. You don't need any special tools. I just needed a box knife or any kind of knife to just slit the tape that holds the box together. And when it comes to unpacking, Didn't need anything special there. There was one zip tie holding two of the poles together. It does come in as a three-piece section. And you do need to buy the chain oil because it does not come with that, so make sure you do that. And otherwise, no special tools for assembly. Pretty straightforward. All the poles slot in together, and a little screw-on piece comes down. You just screw it together. Pretty simple. Thumbs up.